is my love for mankind.
Love for mankind?
Human.
Win?
Ako wala po.
Ah, bakit naman wala?
Wala akong plan for Valentine's. Busy. Work.
Ay, may tanong daw dito. Ano na ba kanya, Mar? Ano yun? Ano ba yan?
Ano ba? Paano ko pa sasagutin?
Ayan.
Taiwan o? Tingnan ko na kayo.
Hindi ko alam na
Siguro, ano na, now, we're doing our own things.
Oo. Naging tayo. Okay, sige.
We're doing our own things. I'm busy with my own work. He's doing his own work. So, yeah.
Ano yan?
Oh, actually, yeah, I'm single right now.
Hindi, parang may uy, mamaya na mga tanong. Yes, ano answer? Mamaya na. Okay, mamaya. Would you like to say something, Win?
Siguro na sa isip nyo, bakit? Bakit? Hindi, okay kami. We're both okay. Naghiwalay kayong maayos. And, yeah, it was a mutual decision. Walang away, walang third party. My God, parang awa niya na hindi yun talaga reason. Hindi siya... Si Enzo na yung third party. Kung walang issue, no. Walang third party. It was a mutual decision. So, we're both okay. Nag-uusap pa na naman kami.
That's good, okay. Oh, ayos na ha. Salita na, so tama na to. Enzo, ang plan mo sa Valentine's Day? Hiwalay ka na rin ba?
Ako naman po masaya naman ako sa Valentine's with my family, friends, loved ones. And ako, yung buhay ko ay natibig eh. So let's just put it that way. At masaya ako na nagtatrabaho ko ngayon.
May